Good day everyone, it's Kelly Sunders. Welcome to this YouTube video, and in this YouTube video we'll be talking about investing.com app. Overall is all about what fundamentals. In trading, fundamentals is very necessary. You have to know what is happening when there is release of high impact news and rest of them. And this investing.com app is the app I use for what fundamentals, and I'll be showing you how you analyze news, see what is coming, and you know your whereabouts. You know how to implement fundamental analysis to your technical analysis for you to actually have a better outcome. This is not the only app. We have another app like let's say forex forex factory. So this is also okay. Go to their website forexfactory.com. Is a news app also. Then my FS book also, I believe, tries to show some fundamentals also. But in today's video we're gonna be using investing.com app. I'll be going to the app. So once you come to Play Store, App Store, or their websites, probably you download the app. Once you download, you click on open. Once you open, you see a home page like this. Over here you see economic calendar, okay, then market news, probably the calendar, your watch list, then more, right? But you have to sign up. You can use your Google accounts for signing up, and I'm not a pro user. I don't really need much, you understand. They're actually showing me everything I need. So this is my watch list. Then this the calendar aspect. This is the news also. This is where you see news of pairs and you know what is going to happen next, because news like interest rate, NFP, CPI, and many of the rest affect every minute pairs, like affects your technicals and everything, you understand, overall. So here is where you look out for stock and different other stocks that you want to check out. So this app is very helpful, but today we're going to be focusing on the calendar. Now once you come to calendar, you see yesterday, today, tomorrow, this week, economic calendar. Then you can search. So overall, every day once you come to your calendar, remember you have to set your time to be your what is it called, your delegated time. You see, like, once you click on yesterday, now you see that yesterday news, South Korea end of the year, Brazil market holiday, United Kingdom holiday. So now it's clear, right? Here you see the time, here you see the news impact. Once it's up to 1 star is not like high impact. Once it's 2, you know it's medium impact. Once it's 3, you know it's gonna be a high impact news. Once it's 3 star, then here you see the currency, then here you see the name of the news. Then once you click on the name of the news also, it will open more info for you. So let's say you want to go to this week so far. We click on this week. Once you scroll down, you see news. Or let's check next week. Next week we'll be having non-farm payroll, I guess, on the Friday of next week. So scroll down. So as you can see, overall you come every day to check, or you just check in the in a week. You check to see will I say days that has high impact news. Maybe some people they prefer trading news, right? So you come. So here on Friday, this is manufacturing PMI for December. The data will be released. So once you click on any data currently, you see that when the actual is bullish, you understand it's actually bullish for the currency. Like especially for example, this USD. That means Euro USD will be what, dropping, while USD CAD, USD JPY will be going up. You understand? But when it's negative for USD, that means Euro USD will be pushing up and pushing up. Yeah. Then USD CAD, USD JPY that has USD as their base currency will be dropping because it's negative for the currency. So that's how the fundamental actually works with what correlation, right? Yeah, you see the unemployment rate. So you can see also previous data too, and you read up some news. So the app is very interesting and helpful. You understand, fundamental is very necessary. And this is non-farm payroll. I've done video teaching about non-farm payroll also. You can actually do well to check it on our channel. Just scroll down on our videos up. In our channel you see the video. I made a comprehensive video of how to trade NFP. You do well to check it out also. You can see for last month the actual was very high, the forecast, the previous. So that is basically it. But the most how will I put it, the news you should also look out for is FOMC days and CPI days. It's basically sometimes during the second week, but I don't think it will be happening next month, which is January. It will start from February, I believe. That is when the Fed will have a speech. So January there will be no much FOMC. So that's why some people don't actually still trade on January. They start their trading on February based on they want to see the fundamentals released before they will, enter to the market. So overall, that is that for now. So for today, as you can see, there is no, like, it's only on SYN. I believe this is China yen. So there was high impact news in the Chinese currency, but I don't trade any Chinese currency, so it's not really necessary or useful for me. Then for yesterday, euro, as you can see, so this is just very very easy. And yeah, so do well to join the 2023 Sunders FX mentorship if you haven't joined. Also do well to like, subscribe, and share this YouTube video. And also I'll be dropping more videos. This is all about the beginners content, beginners course. So if you check my playlist in our channel, you see other videos. I'll be releasing videos about beginner stuff, you understand, for beginners that is starting forex trading. I'll be releasing and giving out some beginners knowledge for now. So once again, bye bye, and thanks for watching this YouTube video.